Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now before you get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip. Trim out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at on the side of the phone. So this is, if it's open, it's the top left side of the phone. There we go. You can see where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for just a single SIM card. Place it on the tray. Now luckily the cards put in here are clipped in place, so when you flip it over, it should not be falling out. There we go. And once inserted, the card, there we go, should start working right away. So there it is, it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. And that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.